Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing my own nails, and so those are cuticle sticks from Walmart, and all I'm doing is pushing back my cuticles. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I hope you guys enjoy this because it's a blue polish with blue glitter, and the glitter is encapsulated, so I really hope you guys enjoy. So I ended up clipping my nails down with the regular fingernail clipper. After I finished clipping my nails down, I used my fine sanding band to remove the shine from my natural nail, not taking off any layers or anything like that, just removing the shine. And the reason we remove the shine is because your body produces natural oils, and those oils, if they're still on the nail plate, they will lift your nail, your acrylic nail, and it'll be gone real quick. And I used the acrylic jar that I got from last time just to stabilize my finger, because my hand started hurting from holding in the position for so long. But that's all I'm doing, is getting the shine off my natural nail. So now I'm sizing up my tips. So I got these tips from Wish. I really like them. They actually did come really fast for Wish shipping, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to buy some other ones because I don't want to go through Wish. I'm kind of tired of it. But these tips were really good. And make sure you you size your tips up correctly from sidewall to sidewall. If it's too small, it'll pop right off. If it's too big, it's not gonna look right, and your finger's gonna look big, like the nail's gonna look big. So make sure you get your perfect size. So after you get your nails all sized up, you want to go in with your glue. The glue I use is KDS nail glue, which is amazing. Dries super quick. It's really fast. It's really affordable too, so I really recommend it. So again, you want to make sure it lines up from sidewall to sidewall, and make sure it's not too big, not too small, and then you're good to go. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like. So here are the tips, all sized up and glued on. So after this, we're gonna be cutting them down to my desired length. And then I ended up shaping the nails off camera because this video would have been way too long. And my hand was already out of the frame as is because I couldn't really see. So I put in as much as I can. So here are the nails after they've been filed with the e-file to blend the tip in and shaped up. I'm using 70% isopropyl alcohol to clean the nail, dehydrate it, and get all the dust off my nail. So then we can go in with primer. I'm just using a paper towel that I cut up. Here's our acrylic primer that I'm using. If you haven't watched my last video, go watch it because you'll see where I got this from. And that also came with the Kiss Max glue. But I don't use that. I actually double primed because I just feel like I needed to. I don't know. I double primed on both hands, but I only showed one hand in this video, and I did my other hand a day later. So follow me on Instagram for daily updates, you know. Well, not really daily, but for updates. This is the Kiss Acrylic liquid. I use the green Smell Good drops. And my sister, she was in here with me while I was doing my hand, and I poured the drops in after, and she kept saying, put them in, put them in, put them in, because you can smell, like, the Kiss Acrylic is so strong, like the monomer is so strong that I was like rushing to put it in because those drops, they work wonders. They're amazing. As you saw, I dipped my brush in the monomer just because, like, the brush dries, you know, so I just dipped it in there, you know, to break it back in. And then here's the actual acrylic. And now it's time for the application. I'm actually using glitter, like I said earlier, and I use two glitters. I use a light blue, which is this one. You can't really tell how light it is, but it's really light, like just compared to the other one, and a darker blue. And I just poured it into the tip container that the first kit came with. Go watch my haul video to see where these glitters came from. And these actually didn't bleed at all. These glitters are actually like really pretty, and they're from Dollar Tree. So yeah, so here we go with the actual like acrylic application. And I started where the natural nail and the tip met. I put my first bead there, brushed it down to the tip, and then I pushed it back a little bit also. And then my next bead is right above that one, so it's for my tip basically. And then after that, I put another bead near my cuticle, as close as possible to my cuticle without flooding it. And then that's all I did, making sure I had a good apex and a nice thickness at the tip and my cuticle, making sure it wasn't flooded and all that. So that was my application, and I'll be encapsulating the glitters, and I'll put the glitter on my index finger and my ring finger. I ended up only using the dark blue glitter on my index finger for some reason. I don't know, but it wasn't really like an ombre either. Like, it wasn't a glitter ombre. I just kind of put it on there, but it still came out good. I wanted to say sorry that so much, like, it's so like jumpy and skippy because I was doing my own hand and I had to get like super up close, you know, so I kept moving my hand around to different spots. So, and I kept like moving the camera to try and like follow my hand, but my hand was just going, it was everywhere. So sorry about that. Hopefully still a good video. Hopefully you still liked it, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. What color should I do next? What design should I do next? What would you guys like to see? You know, let me know if you read the description, things like that.
That's good.
Here's the nails after they've been file shaped and buffed. So all I'm doing is going back in with my cut up paper towel and alcohol, a new piece of course, and I'm going to clean off all the dust from my nail so I can get ready to go in with my polish and my clear coat and then my cuticle oil, and that'll be it. I ended up accidentally cutting myself with the e-file when I was trying to seal around the cuticle, because I did get some acrylic on my actual skin, so I was trying to get that off, and that's why I did the little finger wiggle, because it burned so bad. I was like, oh wow. And this polish is called Splashy. I can't read the little numbers right there, but it's called Splashy. It's from LA Colors, and it says it has a gel-like shine. I mean, I never use no gel polish, so I can't tell you if it has gel-like shine or not, but it looked good. It did. But for some reason, it just dinged up so easily, and I think I said it in my last video too, because I had a little mini haul of that video, and in that video, Alexia, she got the purple one that was called Chateau. The number for that one is, the letters and numbers is CNP769. It's from the LA Colors Color Craze Gel Extreme Shine Gel-like Polish. And that one, it dinged up so easy. Like, I kept repainting, and I ended up getting a little cleanup brush, which was the actual like acrylic brush that I used. I just put it in some acetone because I was soaking it off. Not for too long because I didn't want the bristles to dry out, but long enough to where I could get like any clumps of acrylic out, which there really wasn't any. And after my first coat of my polish, I ended up going in with a second coat, of course. And after that second coat, I ended up getting polish on my finger somehow, and I ended up applying my top coat. And after my top coat, I applied some cuticle oil, and this top coat is actually from the Dollar Tree, and it's a good top coat. It's a good top coat. I like it. I really enjoyed it. I got it from the Dollar Tree in Kyle, but the one in Austin that's right by my house, for some reason they're always out of nail supplies. Don't know why. Don't know if they're coming back. And that is my AZGOGO drill in the corner that I got from my adopted senior thing. And that drill, it works good. I really like it. Really enjoy it. I also have a video up on my drill, like a little review of it. And I'll let you guys keep watching. Also, I do have some new things coming in the mail, so you guys should follow me on Instagram and be on the lookout. This is also my Giselle Beauty cuticle oil that I bought from her. She has a YouTube channel. This cuticle oil is amazing. I think this is vanilla bubblegum is the scent, and it's amazing. Smells good. And yeah, just be on the lookout for the things I have planned, because I bought some stuff and I'm really excited about it because I've been wanting stuff for a while. But hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye. Here's a finished look.